Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to get every single Chuckleton item. As you guys probably know, since you clicked on this video, the Chuckleton is the Honk and Seek adventure that's ending in 42 hours. And today I will be showing you how to get every item very easy. Okay, so for the first item, it's going to be the Jerry helmet. You're going to want to come to Jerry on your island, and you're going to want to grab an egg, put it in a vault. Gonna grab another egg, gonna go put it in the vault, go grab another egg, and you do this until you have 5. Once you have 5, you can then craft it just like a helmet. See, now I have 5. Go to my crafting table, and just like this, I craft the Jerry helmet. So the Jerry helmet will be used to find an extremely difficult item for you to find, so keep that in mind. Alright, and for the second item, it's going to be the Snow Union. You can buy off the bazaar white gifts, or if you're Iron Man, well, you're probably not going to be able to do it if you don't have any anymore. But pretty much what you do is you can just go around anywhere in spawn, any hub, just give gifts to random people. And I would say you probably have to open like 2 stacks. I'm not going to be able to get another one since I already have one, but maybe I could help this guy get one. But pretty much just spam some gifts around, anybody in the hub. It's the fastest way to do it. Go like this. Run around, give some gifts. Look at them all go crazy for the gifts, trying to fight each other. This is easiest to do with a friend, so that you both get the Snow Union. But you could obviously just run around hub as well, like I am doing here. Okay guys, and for the next item, it's going to be the Fudgement core. It's pretty simple. I believe it can be done from any tier Enderman. You just kind of run around, spawn your Enderman in. T1 should work just fine. Just here. Forgot about the hits phase, but knock that out real quick. 1 shot, and you practically just run around doing T1 Enderman until you drop it. So to get into this, there's also another item that you'll be dropping. Pretty commonly, you'll be dropping noisy pearls. These noisy pearls, they can drop from any Enderman. So you can knock 2 things out with 1 stone here. Just simply kill the Enderman, and it'll eventually drop this way. It's a relatively easy thing to drop because when I grinded my T4 Enderman, I did about 100. I got 8 Fudgement cores. Let's see if I can at least drop a silent pearl. Let's just go kill some normal Endermen, see if I can drop one. Should do it. I got a few stacks already. Get it out of hits phase. But if you guys don't believe me, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stacks of these noisy pearls. They're a really common drop from Enderman. Just run around, kill some Enderman. That'll knock that item out of the way. And then make sure you spawn tier 1s so you can do this at the same time. Alright, so for the next item, you can go ahead. I would recommend coming to the Nether, come to here. It has to be during the Crimson Isle, but it could be any mob. But I would come over to the spiders and the magma cube riders because there's a lot of mobs here. You could end up knocking out the blaze tech ham really fast. I would say it'd take like 5 minutes, just kill some mobs here, and yeah, that's how you get the blaze tech ham. Alright guys, for the next item, It's the Ragnarok, which I actually have not dropped myself. Working on dropping it right now, actually. You have to kill any mini-boss in the Crimson Isle, and they have a chance to drop the Ragnarok. I believe it's pretty rare because I've been working on it for quite some time, and I still haven't got it. So I'll run through some mini-boss kills here. Gonna wait for Blade Soul. Here he is, Blade Soul. I actually have the wrong pet on. Because for some reason I have a wolf on. I should not have a wolf on. Here we go. And so should be dying here any second. Ooh, okay, he's one shot. As you can see, it's kind of a rare drop. I think it's a 2% chance, which would mean theoretically 50 bosses and you should get it, but it obviously doesn't work like that. So yeah, that's how you get that item. Okay guys, for the next item, there's actually two from dungeons. You can get the Vitamin Life and the item I still actually haven't gotten, but you can just go into like floor 1. Again. We shouldn't need a party. Okay, I will party somebody from my guild, I guess then. This probably isn't the right floor. I probably got wrong people here, but it's okay. I'm just gonna put on Young Armor, and for this, the Vitamin Life, it will drop from any healthy mob. So I would recommend just clearing F1s. Run through. Didn't get the key. Why didn't I get the key? I guess I have to go down below. No, I don't. So for F1s, just do clears. Vitamin Life will drop pretty commonly from the healthy mobs. And the item that I still can't get to drop is the Novice Skull. That's obtained from actually opening the dungeon chest at the end. I think it's a 4% chance. So I just haven't done enough dungeons, obviously, but it's a pretty common drop. Should be able to knock it out in about 10 minutes. And when you're clearing, make sure you clear every mob, because any mob could be the healthy mob that you need. So there's not really much point in skipping rooms. Just make sure you clear everything out. You have to do something while blood room spawns anyway, so you might as well do something productive. Okay, this should be the last mob. Go in. This is F3, I forgot, to be honest. Just wait for it to spawn. Water's down. Then this will drop. Kill the professor. I also would not recommend doing F3 for this, as I think it's the longest boss time. The shortest boss time is going to be F5, or if you can't do F5, just do F1. It's pretty quick still. So yeah, and then chest will spawn. So with the novice sculpt, it actually doesn't show in the chest, but it is there. You just kind of get it randomly from opening chests. So a 4% chance for everyone that you do. So happy hunting, guys. Okay guys, for the next item, it's going to be the red belt. The red belt is obtained by talking to the dojo man, Master Tao. You can start the test of force, test of stamina, test of mastery, test of discipline, test of swiftness, test of tenacity, or the test of control. Any of these will work. Pretty much what you need to do, you'll start it, and then you instantly just want to jump into the lava. Once you jump in the lava, if it's your first attempt of getting the red belt, you should obtain a red belt. This item's really simple. You can get it in about 1 minute of time. Alright guys, now it's gonna be time for the reason that you clicked on the video. To find the extremely difficult item for you to find. This item is obtained by build 2 blocks on an item frame, put the warden art down in the item frame, you make sure you put the Jerry helmet on, you shift until you get this message, think, Jerry, think. And within 5 seconds of that, you need to eat a Fudgement core, just like that. And then you'll be obtained an extremely difficult item for you to find. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was useful to you guys. And make sure to like, subscribe, join the Discord in the description. There's currently a 50 million coin giveaway going 5 ways. It means you could get yourself a free 10 million coins. Go get yourself some free coins. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.